Today, we're excited to be able to bring Schuler Manufacturing, now known as Vermeer Griswold, into the Vermeer family.
Schuler Manufacturing was started by my grandfather, Dorland Schuler, and my grandmother, Verna Schuler. As time progressed, their three sons became part of the business. Third generation, my cousin Mark and myself have come into the business. Really main core value has just always been simply do the right thing.
There's a lot of rich history in the Schuler organization, and the similarities between Dorland in the farming world and what Gary did and how they grew their businesses out of the farming operation.
So we're really excited about becoming a part of the Vermeer team. Schuler Manufacturing has always manufactured product for livestock feeding. We make vertical TMR mixers and a couple different models of feed delivery wagons. Focusing on those product lines has allowed us to become experts in that field.
What we're trying to accomplish by 2030 is to be as good a supplier and an in-depth supplier as we can from start to finish. From the time that a field is seeded to the time that forage product is fed, where do we fit and where don't we fit today?
Now we have a means to feed through a mixer or through a feed wagon, being able to support the needs of both the beef and the dairy farmer.
With our expertise of just feed mixers and that the cattle producer in general, it's going to be a great partnership.
So it's a perfect fit in the value stream of the products we offer here at Vermeer.